And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, this is really interesting. You know, not only do we have some fires now burning in Mississippi, Louisiana, East Texas, and some of the piney woods down here due to flash drought, but we also have a big plume of smoke that's kind of emanating from the northern Amazon region. There's already been a drought kind of going on in northern South America anyway. And there's the rampant deforestation going on there right now and the tremendous burning going on. Well, that smoke's getting tugged northward. We can see that with our model here. This is looking into the weekend. This is near surface smoke, and you see this plume of moisture coming northward. Again, remember, our low-level flow will be turning to the south as the big ridge encompasses the area. So it's going to get hot, but also we're pulling some of this new smoke northward. So the air quality may be dropping this weekend and into early next week. So you may be a little headachy, a little scratchiness to the throat. You can see this smoke coming in right here. It is. It's not really dense, but you're going to notice it though, and you may even get a hint of odor with it coming right into the heart of our area this upcoming weekend. We also have abnormally dry conditions now in our northern counties. This zone has kind of missed out on the rains over about the past 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So we're now considered abnormally dry, Rochester, Peru, Winnemac, up to DeMont. And I do expect this to expand with time as a lot of dry weather and hot weather is ahead. We dropped to 63 for the low tonight. 58 to 66 should do it. Upper 50s northeast to mid 60s as you go southwestward. So with the frenzy, it's not humid. It's warm, but it's not humid. It's 81 for kickoff, and at halftime it's 76 with a hazy sunset. But the humidity on the way up. It's not humid now, but watch it creep upward. Big jump coming up tomorrow. Gets a little humid. Dew points climbing into the mid to upper 60s. And we kind of stay in that zone right into Sunday, and then we climb into the mid 70s late Monday through Tuesday, and then drop off a little bit as the ridge and southerly flow weaken a little bit next week. But regardless, when you combine heat with these kinds of dew points, you've got dangerous heat indices. We've already got heat advisories up to Iowa right now, but at least a breeze and 89 tomorrow. 86 to 92 will do it. Mid to upper 80s here. Closer to 90 to 92 as you go southwestward. Now the heat indices really start to go up on Sunday. 91 for the high, upper 80s to mid 90s should do it for highs. 93 to 105 heat index, but we've got to watch what we call a ridge rider. There'll be a complex of storms north of our area, and it's a little unclear whether that may clip our northern counties. Look, here's Saturday. Here's into Sunday. This model keeps everything way north of us, but there will be a complex of storms that is not that far away. And if it would shift maybe 70 miles or 100 miles, we get clipped by some storms Sunday. So we'll keep an eye on it. Otherwise, it's mid 90s Monday and Tuesday with the heat index exceeding 100. Hot ridge weakens a little bit, so it's just a hair cooler mid to late next week, and that front is slowing down. So we may not get any storms until Friday with a high of 88, and still Labor Day weekend looks dry with highs in the 80s.